Hey everybody, this is Angie from Mystic Mountain Homestead, and today I'm doing a little bit of a different video. And yes, I am out here in the heat, so this is for real sweat. Sorry, but that's what it is. We live down in the south, and in May we celebrate a couple of different holidays. Of course, we've got Mother's Day, and we have my birthday, and then we have Memorial Day. And I was coming to tell you about Memorial Day in the south. So in the south, we come to the cemetery and we honor our ancestors by putting flowers on the graves. And every year, this is kind of a bittersweet time, and it makes me kind of think about legacy. And that's what I want to talk to you about today. What's your legacy? What are you leaving behind for, after you're gone? Just like my family here. We'll spend this whole day going out and putting flowers on graves to remember them and to honor them. And I know these strong people that I came from. I remember them well, and I remember the things that they stood for and what they were about. And that's part of the reason why I came back to Arkansas, to embrace what I grew up with, the morals and the values that I had. And started thinking about my mom, who's still alive, and my father and my stepdad who are gone, and the things that they've instilled in me, and the things that they've taught me, and the things that I hope that I'm teaching my children. So in the end, what's going to be said about me? What's going to be my legacy? Well, for one thing, these YouTube videos are set. They're out there, and so if anytime somebody wants to know, they can click on them and they can see. But it really doesn't show me and what I truly believe. And that's what I want to go into you about with today. I hope that after I'm dead and gone, my children remember me with favor. And by that I mean that when they think back to me, they think back that I taught them to always be fair and to never judge people. And unless you walk in somebody's shoes 1,000 miles, you don't have nothing to say. I want them to know that to love each other, to love our earth, take care of each other, treat each other with respect. Always put a smile on your face, no matter how bad things get. You've just got to have grit and determination, and you persevere right through it. You do it with a smile. Don't let people know that you're having a hard time. You just smile. It's easier to get through it. And I've tried to tell my kids that, just grin and bear it, just grin and bear it. And that's true. I've had good times and I've had bad times in my life. And those bad times are what takes you and define you as a person. And it's important that you take that on. Did I do the things that I set out to do in my lifetime? No, I didn't. I took quite a different path than what I intended on. But I am so thankful for that path today. Because if it weren't for that path, I wouldn't be who I am. And I think that it's important for you to think about your legacy. What's your legacy? What are you instilling in your children? When you're gone, what does the earth remember about you? Remember to smile. I've told my kids plenty of times, if you come to my funeral and you're not smiling, I want you to leave. Because if you can't think of me and have at least one smile, then you didn't know me. And that's for sure. So, above all, love each other, treat each other well, and persevere, because our ancestors, the pioneers who founded this country, and the ancestors that we had that were here previous to the pioneers coming, that's what they did. They persevered. And that's what we're doing as homesteaders. We're taking what we got and we make it work. So until next time, and I promise I'll have a happier video next time. You guys love each other. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.